Where to invest your first $1,000. Who has been the fastest self-made billionaire in history? Jay Walker became a billionaire in less than a year, but Warren Buffett needed 55 years to achieve the same milestone. As a general rule, most individuals end up impoverished at the end of their life because they don't know how to use their money to produce more money. The simplest solution is to put it in a savings account and earn interest. But why should the bank pay you to keep your money in the bank? Isn't it more appropriate for them to charge you instead? No. The bank will take your money and lend it to someone else at a higher rate, and a percentage of the profit will be shared with you. But why are bank account interest rates so low? Because interest rates are low this year as a result of the epidemic. The Fed has been compelled to cut them to encourage everyone to borrow and spend. The second choice is to purchase government bonds. A government bond is a government-issued asset that is used to raise funds for government spending. Any investment has some amount of risk. Why would anybody invest anywhere else when they can double or even treble their money in the stock market? Risk is the solution. Investing in an index is one option for investors to reduce their risk in the stock market.